Michael Dunning. We do contract myself and my brother John. We got this job reseeding this field of ground. There's 8 acres in it. It's a good piece of land. You can see clay ditches up through the middle of it. It's running up into a hill at the top of it. It's sort of sandy enough. Well, we mowed it last Friday and we baled it on Sunday to clearing it off, and we're after spraying it out this morning with miser. We're going to put in slurry on it tomorrow, and we're hopefully going to plough it on Friday. The top half of the field we're not going to plough because we reckon it could be sandy enough, and so we're just going to run a heavy disc on it. We bought a heavy disc early this year for tilling. It's a great job for not bringing up stones. There's loads of stones around this part of the country, and we'll be running a 4-furrow Ferguson plough. We'll be disking it and leveling it and power harrowing it after that. That's a Jasmine sprayer. We only brought that last year. With the new regulations now for spraying for testing, sprayers have to have their tests. We tend to change our sprayer every 2 years now. It's easier to change your sprayer than actually getting your sprayer tested. It's a good square piece of level land, and I'm looking forward to ploughing it.
I really need you. I really need your love right now. I'm fading fast, not gonna last. I'm really stupid, I'm burning up, I'm going down, I'm in it bad, don't even ask. When I find myself in the middle, could you love me more, just a little, overcomplicate, but it's simple, when you love me more, just a little. So tell me now, when every star falls from the sky and every last heart in the world breaks, oh, hold me now. When every ship is going down, I don't feel nothing when I hear you say, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. I'm really sorry I dragged you into this. I overthink, that's all it is. The way you love me till the end. The way you love me, oh yeah, it makes me king again. When I find myself in the middle, could you love me more, just a little, overcomplicate, but it's simple, when you love me more, just a little. So tell me now, when every star falls from the sky and every last heart in the world breaks, oh, hold me now. When every ship is going down, I don't feel nothing when I hear you say, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be
It's gonna be okay. When every star falls from the sky and every last heart in the world breaks, it's gonna be okay. When every ship is going down, I don't feel nothing when I hear you say, it's gonna be okay.